Hello, grade 3 students. How are you doing today? I hope you are all fine. Again, we are still in Unit 3, Man and Health, Activity 10, Prevention the Best Remedy. In yesterday's video, we had a quick revision about our lesson. We talked about everything. So today, we will again read the main ideas of our lesson. Then we will move to the last and final exercise related to it. Okay, so please get your science books and open on page 117 so we can read the main ideas together. So, on page 117, then we will move to the exercise. And now let me read for you. The main ideas of the lesson are: we can protect ourselves from the dangers of the street, at school, at home by following the safety rules. You can treat a minor injury, but in case of serious accidents, you must alert an adult to call the Red Cross or the doctor. So, as we said before, we should always protect ourselves from dangers. How? By following the safety rules. But in case of accidents or in case of injuries, if the injury is minor, we can treat it, but if the accidents are serious, we should call the Red Cross or the doctor. This is our lesson. Now turn to page 124 so we can do exercise 10 together. So open your books, page 124, so we can do this exercise together. Okay? So exercise 10 says, read the text and answer the questions. We have a short text here and some questions related to it. Let me read for you. The lice is a small insect that clings strongly to the hair. The first sign of the presence of lice is irritation of the skin of the head by the nits, which provoke continuous scratching. To get rid of lice, it is necessary to use a special comb and a specific shampoo. It is necessary to treat also the people who live in the same surrounding. And here the word nets, it is explained as the eggs of lice. First of all, let me show you a picture of the insect that we are talking about here, the lice. As you can see in this picture, this is the lice, and this might be its eggs, okay, which we call nits. So you see we have lice and its nits. Okay, so the lice is a small insect that clings strongly to the hair. You see, it catches the hair. Okay, so it's an insect that lives in our hair. The first sign of the presence of lice is irritation of the skin. How do we know that we have lice in our hair? We start feeling irritation. You see, you know the feeling that you need to scratch your skin, you need to do something. If you feel something weird, this is irritation. You see the kid here, he is feeling irritation. Okay, so irritation is the first sign of the presence of lice. This irritation provokes continuous scratching. What do we mean by scratching? As you can see, what is she doing? She is scratching her head, okay? So we have lice, it causes irritation and then scratching. So the lice is the small insect that clings strongly to the hair. First sign of presence of lice is irritation. It causes scratching. How do we get rid of lice? It is necessary to use a special comb and a specific shampoo. So to remove these lice from our hair, we need a special comb to comb our hair with it and a specific shampoo to kill these insects. Okay, what else should we do? It is necessary to treat also the people who live in the same surrounding. Why is that? Because the lice insect here, if you have, for example, lice in your hair and you sleep next to your brother or next to your sister, these insects might move from your head to your brother's head. Okay, so we should treat everyone in our surrounding if we have lice. Okay, so this is our text. Let's move to the or to the questions. Number one, pick out from the text. When we say pick out, we mean that the answers are found in the text. We just have to find them, okay? Pick out the first sign that shows the presence of nits in the hair. How do we know that we have nits or we have lice in the hair? What is the sign for their presence? What did we read in the text? We read that the first sign of the presence of lice is irritation of the skin, which provokes continuous scratching. Irritation, scratching. Now let's write the answer. It is the irritation of head which provokes continuous scratching. How we can get rid of lice? What should we do to get rid of lice? What should we use? We need two things to use. What are they? We read that we can get rid of lice by using a special comb and a specific shampoo. So these are the two things that we should use to get rid of these insects. Okay? Part 2. Propose an advice to prevent lice. Do you remember in class when I gave you example about lice? I gave you a piece of advice that you should do to prevent yourself from catching lice. What should we do? Because the lice is found in the hair or it lives in the heads, in between the hair. What should we do? We said that don't use others' personal items, especially the hat. So the advice is to avoid using others' personal items, especially the hat, because the hat we wear it on our heads, right? So we should not use others' personal items. So this is exercise 10. I hope you understand it. If you have a question, you keep it for later on when we go back to school. And please copy the answers on your book, and I'll see you soon. Till then, please stay safe and bye bye.